Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Now today we are going to make cornbread, Southwest style, by Old El Paso. And all we need is egg and water. Now it gives you the directions on the back of the box. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it says if you have an 8-inch pan, 9-inch pan, it gives you different cooking times. So I'm going to use a 9-inch square pan, and I believe it says, let me reach in and grab this. For a 9-inch square or round, it's 20 to 23 minutes. Now if it's an 8-inch, it's 22 to 25 minutes. Now if you wanted to do muffins, you could do 18 to 21 minutes. So it gives you the option if you want to make this like an 8-inch, 9-inch, or if you wanted to make it muffins. Now you're going to heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and all you need is water and eggs. Now I will spray my pan with Pam so that way it does not stick. So I do have that out there. But anyways, this is really good. This would be perfect for any type of meal that you're having. It will complement any type of, meal that you're having: beef, chicken, pork, anything. It's a Southwest style and it's very tasty and it's very good. I wanted you guys to see how it comes. Now I just opened up the box and just poured it comes in a package, and you just tear the package and you just open it up, put it in here. But anyways, it smells absolutely wonderful. If you've ever had this bread, I have. I've had this many times. It has a sweet cornbread, and it has sugar to it, and it also has a spice. And it's not overly done. The spice is not. It's very good. And it smells, like I said, wonderful. It really does. This taste is very good, and it complements any type of dish. Now what I have here is I have 1 egg. So I'm just whisking it up. Okay. Excuse me for that noise. Now I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have a half a cup of water and just 1 egg. What I'm doing here is I'm just mixing this up. This smells absolutely wonderful. The spices that it smells like in this, because like I said, I've had this plenty of times, is if you've ever had El Paso's taco seasoning mix, it has like a scent to that. And if you like taco seasoning mixes and stuff like that, you'll like this. And it's not overpowering. By no means is it overpowering. The sugar, with it being in a cornbread, balances that spice. So it's like the perfect blend. Okay. Now I did spray my pan. As you can see, I have a square glass dish right here. This is a 9-inch. And I'm going to cook it for 20 to 23 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this in, and then when my oven comes to temperature, we're going to put this on in. To show you how this looks, see, it doesn't make a lot, and like I said, you can have this with any type of meal: pork, beef, chicken, whatever you're having. This is the Southwest style, and it smells wonderful. It does, like I said, it has the sweetness, and it also has, so it does have sugar in it, and it also has the spices of like the seasoning packet, but it balances it, so it's not spicy or anything like that. It gives it the perfect blend. It really does. And you can see it's a small size. It doesn't make a lot, and it's enough for like a couple of days. This is our Southwest cornbread by Old El Paso, and it's really, really smells wonderful. Now, I cooked this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit in my oven, and I cooked it for 23 minutes total, because it said 20 to 23 minutes, so I cooked it the total time of 23 minutes. And I took a toothpick, and it came out clean, so it's definitely done. I wanted to show you guys, see how it has the nice golden round edges right there? That's going to be nice and crispy. So if you like your cornbread, I know my grandmother always did. She always liked her cornbread where it was crunchy on top. You will definitely like that. Now I took a small piece out so that way I can sample this for you guys, and it tastes absolutely phenomenal. It really does. Now it's a sweet bread. It does have sugar in it, okay? So it's like Jiffy. It has a sweetness to it. It has a sweet bread. Now, it does have spice, but it's not like what you think. It's not overpowering. Actually, the sugar and the spice complement each other, and so you don't taste it. It's not spicy like you think. It has a good season to it. It has a good mixture. Now, when my mom makes her cornbread, she always puts butter on top. Now, you may want to put some butter on top of this. I didn't, but if you want to, you can put butter on top of this. And it'd be absolutely perfect. It just has the right amount of spice in it. It's not spicy like you think, but it's got a good flavor. But the sugar is what balances it. Now, if the sugar wasn't there, it would definitely be spicy. But because the sugar is there, it balances it. And it's really good. This would be good for like tacos, tamales, enchiladas, fajitas, any type of Tex-Mex type of dish. It'd be really good. But it is. It's very, very good. And it's simple to make. You know, it's not a lot of ingredients to make. All you have to do is just add water and egg. And you can see it's the perfect meal. Now this can go with any type of meal that you're having. Any type of Tex-Mex, also fajitas, enchiladas, tacos. I mean, it can just be anything. Or it can be a beef dish or a pork dish or a chicken dish. But it's really, really good. It has, like I said, if it didn't have the sugar in it, then it would be spicy. I mean, it really would. It would be spicy. But because it has the sugar in it, it's like Jiffy. You know how Jiffy has the sugar and it's a sweet bread? Well, this is a sweet cornbread. It has sugar in it, so the sugar balances the spice. And it makes it really, really good. But this is a Southwest style. So it's, all you have to do is just add water and egg. And it's by Old El Paso. So if you see this, try it on out and give it a try. It is good. Anyways, I want to thank everybody for watching our cornbread Southwest style by Old El Paso, and it's really, really good. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. And if you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Again, thank you for watching the video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.